मरुइबा पाउ हुमद्रा तरेट सुपर रिपब्लिक डे थौरम मणिपुर दसु पांगथोखरे अमदी पोपी थाबद सिजनै हाइबा फार्म हाउस खरा ZUF ना मै थादुना मांगहनख्रे खुरुमजरी STV की पाउ मीटिंग ताबिरी बसिंग बतराम नोकजरी हौजिक पाउ संदोकना पिजरी तोंगान तोंगान बा लाल होलुप सिंगी बॉयकॉट मरक्ता सिक्योरिटी की अकनब सेक्शन थौरांग लोइना हुमद्रा तरेट सुबर रिपब्लिक डे थौरम मणिपुर दसु डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर्स अमदी सब डिविजनल हेडक्वार्टर्स सिंगदा ngarang pangthokre mapong oiba thauram imphal gi kanglada manipur gi governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana india gi machu humgi phiral paihenduna thauram ase pangthokhi tungan ba mass pass contingent humputaret ki mass pass ki salute governor na okhi thauram masda speaker te Saitabata MP MLA Singh chief secretary security advisor DGP civil amasung police ki makok thongba official kya su sarukya tungan ba cultural troop amadi tungan ba department singi table dar irengbam dolendro maitai Mari Suba ARB gi rifleman Dar Irengbam Dolendro Maitai Mari Suba ARB gi rifleman Jackie Com da governor na medal lantokhi Manipur Fire Service ki leading fireman Panmai Gaikhong Ngam Amashung leading fireman Maiban Seven Sanda medal for meritorious lantokhi
Home Guard male contingent Comrade Commander L. Lomoni Singh Command Tawpiragli Manipur Fire Service Contingent Sub Officer Rishikanta Chanang Thabam Command Tawduna Chakshilakli Danamanjuri Liberal College Contingent
Manipur Shana Pongmayon Sing Ode
Cultural Academy, Kamjong District, performing the thankful folk dance entitled Riot Pajak, that is a dance of victory. This traditional thankful
State asigi tanglabalan oiriba amadi loktak pat ki fazaba amadi akoi Sri Govindaji temple ki saktamsu mayamda utli लोइनना आर्टिस्ट सिंगना पृथ्वी सिन
था चरम मौसम की घटनाओं के समन के लिए कार्य करना
The tableau of DIPR Manipur Child Helpline Service asina child amadi protection hena darkar oibs
when every citizen regardless of age, gender or ability actively participates.
अब आपके सामने से गुजर रहे हैं रिलीफ एंड डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट यानी राहत एवं आपदा प्रबंधन की झांकी सिरुई और जूको जंगल
been inducted. 5 new fire substations across the hill and valley districts are already taking shape, with 6 more fire stations soon to follow, ensuring wider reach and swifter response. The Manipur Fire Service
Tungda Ahanba Manipur Rifles ke parade ground the pangthokpa thauramda Manipur ki Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goyal na Republic Day gi Voice of Thanks ki warol piraduna laibak asigi chawthok chaningai oiraba constitution ama aikhoi gi damak thambiramba matam adugi constituent assembly ki members sing adu awang thakta thagatli makhoi bu aikhoina kakthokpam thokte kumja lesing ma samapan yankhai gi ngasigi nimit asida India gi constitution asi Dr. B.R. Ambedkar gi lesing makhada constituent assembly da draft tawduna chatnaba hokhibani loinana India asi sovereign socialist secular democratic republic ni haina laukthokibani Aikhoi ki constitution asi legal document amakak nate masidi justice liberty equality amadi fraternity gi wakhalon puba ahingba charter amani constitution na aikhoi da fundamental rights sing da pibada natana fundamental duties sing supiri Leibak asigi Republic Day gi thoram asibu mapung phahanduna Kangamdraba Thoram Ama, Ohenbagi the Makpuna Makutagatli, a Koi Punamakna Constitution that Tazaba Tamduna, Tangdulai Taba, Chaukatpa Amadi Amato Oba Manipur Ama, Ohanaba Puna, Hotna Minesi, Haina, Makna Makataki.
Our constitution is not merely a legal document, but a living charter that embodies the ideals of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. It guarantees fundamental rights that uphold the dignity and freedom of every citizen. Citizenship entails both privilege and responsibility, including the responsibility to respect the rule of law, preserve national unity, promote harmony, protect public property, and contribute to the nation's progress while remembering our fundamental duties. This harmonious balance of rights and duties remain a source of enduring pride for all Indians. I convey my sincere thanks to the Governor of Manipur, Honorable Speaker, members of Legislative Assembly, Honorable Members of Parliament, senior civil, police and other uniform officers, armed forces and Central Armed Police Forces for their distinguished presence and their commitment to governance and public service in Manipur.
Humratrai Lak Suba Republic Day gi Thoram Bisnupur District ki Oinasu District Administration Bisnupur na Sindana New Mini Secretariat Complex Bisnupur da Pangthokre Bisnupur District ki Deputy Commissioner Puja Ilangbam na India ki machu ahum gi phiral chingkhatlaba tungda SDPO Bisnupur S Trefena Raikhanmai MPS na Perat Commander Oiduna Tongan ba contingent singna piba salami okay DC Bisnupur Puja Ilangbam na Apunba mapangal kanba India ama oiba ngamnaba hotnabada aikhoi khudingmaki thaudang lei Bisnupur district asi singthanangai oiba mowong the law and order gi phibam phagatpada natana department kayana piriba kanaba sing IDP sing yauna miyamda kanaba piduna hiram kyada khumang chausin bangam le haike
And today's celebrity chief guest na ikai kumna ba utpiri ikai kumna ba utpiri Dev, second IRB contingent, Jamandar. Tentative, mana lobby na bagi tamat ni. Our respected
Humdrataret Suba Republic Day Gitorum DC Thobal Yumnam Robitana India gi machu hungi phiral singkhatuna hodokhi Sawyama Higher Secondary School gi ground the pangthok pathoramatu the DC na tungan ba contingent kuntaret na piba salami okay.
Commanded by police contingent. Command feeling sa bagi matungda. Kasturba Gandhi. Troops in a Hogal Zagoigi would be
Students here today.
Commander Republic Day celebration 20 the Nolukna Kaushanjari Matanga Kausanjari Sigi Matanga
Manipur State Legal Services Authority Masal Sana Susindana Humdratarilak Subari Public Day Gitorum Pangtokre Lampel Court Complex ki ADR Building da Laiba Manipur State Legal Services Authority Masal Sagi Office Complex ta Masal Sagi Executive Chairman High Court of Manipur gi Justice A.B. Mol Singhana India gi machu hungi phiral chingkhatuna pahenki Thauramadu High Court of Manipur gi Justice A. Guneswar Sharma Member Secretary Masalsa Alek Muiba, Additional Member Secretary Masalsa S. Manglaibi Devi, Secretary District Legal Services Authority Leonid Antem, Secretary District Legal Services Authority Lampel West and Sophia Rani Devi, Masalsa Amasung District Legal Services Authority Officer Amasung Staff Singh, Imphal West Amadi, Imphal East District Ki, LADCS Personnel Singh, Retainer Lawyer Paralegal Volunteer Singh na Saruk Yaki Haina, Manipur State Legal Services Authority gi Secretary S. Manglaibi Devi gi Chairolaman Haire. High Court of Manipur gi Justice A. Guneswar Sharma na India gi machu ahum gi firal High Court of Manipur gi complex ta chingkhatuna Humdratarit Subari Public Day Thoram Pangthokre Sangakpham da leiba Manipur gi High Court complex ta pangthok pathara maduda Court Asigi Justice Antem Bimol Singha, Register General Ozes Mutum Barge Member Singh, Registry gi Officer Amadi Staff Yauna Atei Miyoi Kiana Saruk Yaki, Thauramadu Guard of Honor Piraba Matung Justice A. Guneswar Sarmana, Laibak Asigi Machu Hungi Piral Chinkhatuna Pahenki, Thauramadu Manung Chana BSF ki Personal Singh Quick Response Team Security Drill gi Saktamamusu Utki, Justice A. Guneswar Sarmana, Thauramadu Mari Lainana Haikibada, Laibak Asigi Humdratarit Subari Public Day na Lakpada Miyamna Punliba Asi Chahi Humdrataruk Mamangda Laibak Asigi Constitution Semduna Union of India Ohelakiba Mikup Adubu Ningsing Bagaloina Aikoi Puna Wasak Minaduna Laibak Asigi Iraiza Ama Oina Justice Liberty Equality Fraternity Bu Ngakminabagi Mikup Amani High Court Asina Constitution gi Makhada Fundamental Rights Sing Ngakna Chatnabagi Maru Oiba Thaudang Lorga Lakli Court Asida Miyam gi Hak Pihanba Writ Makhal Singh issue tauba loinana executive amadi atai authority da semdokpa chumthoknaba khanghanaba sakti lei piriba sakti asimakna miyam da justice liberty amasung equality gi principle adubu ngakna thabak tauba ngamhanbani masimakna court asna lamda master rule of law ngakna miyam gi right phanghanbada thaudang loba ngamhanbani haike Manipur Judicial Academy dasu Laibak Asigi Humdratarit Subari Public Day gi Thoram Pangthokre Sangakpham da Laiba High Court of Manipur gi complex da Laiba Manipur Judicial Academy da Pangthokpa Republic Day gi Thoram aduda Manipur Judicial Academy gi Director Oiriba High Court of Manipur gi Justice Golmai Gaiful Silyuna Laibak Asigi machu hungi phiral chingkhatuna pahenki Thoram aduda Academy Asigi official Singh Mahiroi Singna chingba miyoi kiana saruk yaki hairi Humdratare Suba Republic Day Thorum Kaksing District Oina Su Kaksing Administration Kaksing Sindana District Sports Association ki ground the Pangthokre. Thoramadu the Kaksing District Deputy Commissioner U Satyanyana India ki machu ohumgi Piral Sinkhatuna Hogdoki. Thoramadu the STPO Shunu NZ Suresh Anthony na Perat Commander Oiduna Tongan Tongan Makantinjan Sing na Piba Salami Disino okay.
Then, BSF contingent is also approaching through saluting dice. Commissioner Basip Fiesta Salami Pikre, Maskim the BSF contingent commander, Sub Inspector Rajendra Maharia Amadi, second in command, Head Constable. Manipuri Rifles Amadi, Indian Reserve Battalion Commander, Zamador MD Said Ahmad Aid Emar, and second in command, Rokisel Witron, 11 IRV. Civil Police Contingent Commander K.S. Motilful Dangsua, second in command, MD Basir Ahmed, is saluting to our respected civics. Next, Dear English School Boys and Girls NCC Unit is a NCC Unit. B. Dasera Commander, second in command, Naurim Sakira Devi, is saluting to our respected civics. Police Contingent. Lyshram Zanit Black Uniform. Lamleya with a white color knife. Academy of Culture, M. Second in command over Yamnen. Dance with Tulok Solo, Yamnen Kizana, Misikai Commissioner Masipis.
This is Ziribam Krishna Kumar na India ki machu ohungi Piral Sinkhatuna, Ziribam dasu Humdrataret Suba, Republic Day ki Thorum Pangthoki, Ziribam Higher Secondary School ki Playground Pangthokpa Thorum Madu da CRPF, District Police, MR, IRB, Mahiroi Amadi Cultural Troop Singna, Piba Salami DC na okay, Thoramadu da DC Krishna Kumar na District Asida Paikat Liba Tabak Thorum Amadi, Nupi Amasung Angang Singa, Marilay na Batabak Sing Hena Kumang, Chausin Naba Apil Toki.
Now, the chief guest of 77th Republic and Inspector General of Police Manipur Nagaland Sector, CRPF's Award for Successful Conduct of State Assembly Election, Department of Agriculture and Horticulture and Soil Conservation, presented tableau highlighting
Common Ground, the Deputy Commissioner Vidyamari Sridharna Machu Ohungi Piral Sinkhatuna Hogdoki, Tongan ba contingent Taramangana Piba, Mass Pass ki Salute Disin okay, Tharamadu the Paramilitary Force, Civil Lamadi, Police ki Makok Thongba, Official Kayasu Sarukyaki.
Vidyamari Sridhar, IAS Deputy Commissioner. We have St. Joseph Girls Contingent Commander Dingpuilu. Next, approaching the saluting base, we have 10 Makers Academy Boys Contingent.
The infrastructure part, major infrastructure works include the near completion of 12 preventable diseases under the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program.
Senapati District ko ina Republic Day gi thorom Seni Drill Sports Complex da pangthokhi DC Senapati Mamoni Jolina tungan makantinjen tara-taruk na piba salami okay thorom da DC na Indiana mapung phaba Republic Nation ama oirakpagi maru oibasing panduna wangangkhe.
Base is a CRPA commanded by after the CRPF contingent we have Manipur Police Men contingent.
Manipur Police Men's contingent. Platoon Commander Sub Inspector. Manipur Police Women.
Sushil Kumar. Battalion NCC by Mount Everest Higher Secondary School, and towards the saluting base is the Mount Pisgah College Girls.
Mount Everest College.
After Mount Everest College Boys contingent.
Mount Everest College Girls contingent.
Towards the saluting base is the St. Xavier College Boys contingent.
Saluting base tamna Master Liba contingent na sila Mount Matang magta laiba sina Master Liba contingent na sina
under the command of Havaldar Naveen Chetri.
Tamenglong District ki oina humdra taret subari Public Day gi thoram Mini Stadium Tamenglong da DC Dr. L Angsim Dangswana chief guest oina sarukya dona pangthokhi tungan ba contingent kumari na piba salami DC na okay thoramadu da DC na mahima singi lamda Tamenglong District na sothari ba asi puksel sengba watpa amadi oja singna mathau ningthina pangthokta bagini haiba wafam thamki.
Tamenglong Government Higher Secondary School Boys Contingent led by Captain R. Kang Soklung. Bearing the flag is Kung. Leading the contingent is Kariangai Liu Mering Moi, and bearing the flag is Nampai Liu R. Pan Mai.
Captain Tiu Hiam Liu Kang Tian, the flag holder.
Chandel District ki oina DC Hemant Kumar na sarukya dona Republic Day gi thoram Chandel District Headquarter da pangthokhi Mahayunan Government Higher Secondary School Zafo Ground da pangthokpa thoram adu da DC ni India gi flag chingkatuna hawdokpaga loina na tongan ba contingent sing da piba salami okay.
And United College. Next is Civil Police Chandel. Now we have JNV Boys.
Rims Impal na su humdra taret subari Public Day Thorum Administrative Block mamang da Institute asig Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma na lebaki machu ohumgi firal paihanduna pangthokre thorum asda faculty staff mahiroi Rims community ki members singna saruk yakhi Zelerong United Front na ngarang numit yung mamatong pung tarani thoy khare helak pa dwaida Kangpokpui district ki Wafong Intan area da popi thariba singi farmhouse yamdrabada ahum mai thaduna manghan khre hairi front asi na popi thabagi mayokta chatharak pa thabak thorumgi manung channa khongthang asi lokhat khibani hairi amaromda ZUF na ngarang ke songlung part 2 da leiba yumanga mai thakre haina Kangsup area Protection and Development Committee Sadar Hills Chief Association amadi Committee on Tribal Unity Sadar Hills na kanna yaning da ba phongdorakli maphamadu da khunja sing na ingna chikna lainana ba matik chaba security force thambina ba Manipur gi governor gi pukning chingsilli kotuna mara laibasing pung kunmari gi manungda phagatuna matik chaba action lakhotrabadi ngase ahing nongyai degi tha asigi kunipan gi ahing nongyai fawa national highway animakta total shutdown chatharagani hairi Information Service Television Network ISTV Network na miyam nga seba torokpa ngasi sahi kulumdoy mapung phare kulumdoy suba foundation day asiga marilaina na network asig president Laitan Them Tombina miyam da yapa pausal pirakli
hamra makta da yapunu kulumje asi tangkun ga taret ISTV Network ki kulumdoy suba foundation day numit asiga mari Lainana, mayam puno muki makhangda ya papawyo bijer. Nimit asiga mari lainan nangasi nungsijaba executive sing amadi sahi kulumdo sumna awaba khudong sadaba kya khangduna miyam gi seba tawdun la piraba staff kring maki khangmakan ba thawna amasung amato ebegi wa khalon bu kai khunu usari. ISTV newangna ISTV news discussion hour ISTV ga exida sanai gi krobak khalot doctor yawna tongan ba kana ba tharung kya sandokpada asawat danglawi lagaba ladam asigi sangngairaba miwi khudingmakpu amasung ISTV bu nungsibi bu khudingmakpu su thagatba panoksari ISTV network ki kulundoisbo function de asiga mari leinana nungsi sanaba nungai yai phabai watta padaba ingtapa lamdam ama oresunu hansu lebak miyamda yai phapagyen bijeri punno bu thagatse
paugi marak thana break matang lozari
Admissions open, limited seat. Enroll your little one today. A happy and safe preschool environment focused on holistic development. We nurture curiosity, independence and confidence through play-based learning, interactive classrooms, experienced educators and caretakers, a well-maintained teacher-student ratio and a spacious play area. Kidzi Southern Palace Compound, 6009046088.
Matamgi nungsit nungsa amadi ayinga sana maram moiraga lok tungba amadi kubana singba tatana thohalli pumna maksibu kudakta phanba ngamlaba Capidon cup syrup 100% herbal product ni lok khubada natana nakmahi chelaba amadi khangnaw maring chatlaga lok kangkhu khuraba Capidon cup syrup thakpiu Capidon cup syrup
Dada
Yeme maki gano azab thammo Sige yung se, next TMT na check sin na lapsila ka tamko ba ni ne?
Dadarang se, juhar habaga am takidarbo.
Asum na, mayam na machalbo ngapshan lugum. Masige yung masibu, aso yung ngan ko kada batagi. Next TMT na ngapseli. Next TMT juhar habating ngakok na nabasim ba ni? Zerman technology siya na na concrete ka top na tinaba matanda. Kapang ang mukha na enggal adli. Next TMT, strength is in the way.
Honglagli ba pun sige lambi sida aray ba tsaba yaba makai sasinari. Adone hidak langthak kayama sadaba yarakte sasil liba singduna adomgi liver da kayam sokhalli khangbibra liver nabu soklaba chaning thakning ba phawdaba puk nungai taba khong hamba nungai raktaba amadi kuchu kumen senghallakti kuding maksibu ngakthok ke hairabadi Jolip 100% natural syrup amadi capsule
Jolip 100% natural syrup and capsule
break ki matung na taram nokjare madi makhata pa pauda IGAR South ki mityang makhada chathari ba operation sat bhavna ki makhada Kangla Tombi da leiba All Manipur Gorkha ex servicemen association amje sada Mateng pikre IGR South na Manipur ki tungan mafam da leba ex servicemen singda mateng pibagi manungsan na 108 Suba Republic Day numita headquarter IGR South ki makada High School 9 sector amadi 31 Assam Rifles na Kanglatombi da leba community hall da pangthokpa thauramda All Manipur Gorkha ex servicemen association Amjasa office furnishing computer peripherals atai essential equipment sing khusinakre Eastern Command gi operation sadbhavna dagi lupa lakh manga rongi oigadaba senpham gi potlam khusinakiba duda commandant 31 Assam Rifles ka senior official atai officer kangpokpi da laiba CPF ki yauna defense service dagi retired personnel singna sarkyaki thoramadu wangang ki ba singna Gorkha na laibak asigi defense da thauna phana pukchel sengna Lauraga lakliba thaudang sing nahuna naning singki Manipur da su Gurkha community asna lebak asigi oiriba phiba masida discipline veteran responsible citizen ama oina lamdam asida nungsi chanana tangdu laitana laimina duna national building da thaudang lauri haina phongdokhi hairi tungda interaction pangtuktuna hena chakhut thaurangi matang da su khanaki haina PRO Amjasa Dharmin Katuada amasung Lieutenant Colonel and Manungba retired advisor AMGS AX 11 Gorkha Rifles na Thadorakpa Cherolamana Hairi Ran Forest Club Office Tamenglong na Amur Falcon da Yumpham Oiba Amur's Journey to Conservation Haiba Mingthon ba Atenba film ama ngarang Rans Forest Officer Kharibam Hitler na release tawkre thoramadu da Ran Forest Club ki founder su oiriba retired director Hill Services Dr. Jambo Gonmai Rans Forest Officer Tamenglong Joel Gonmai amadi Rans Forest Officer Kundrakpam Johnson na chingba miyoi singna sarkyaki film asi Judicial Panmai na direction piraga Tamenglong Forest Division na puthokibani hairi Bishnupur SC gi MLA Gobindas Konthaujamgi apokpa Gojendro Konthaujamgi mingda lairiba ke Gojendro Foundation amasung All Brothers Committee anina khusamnarga sinduna lisingani kuntarukta metric parikya thagadaba mahiroi singi oiba masada kari ana ayek yaubage haibadu khangdoknaba free health checkup ama kem ama Ningthokong Higher Secondary School da pangthokre health checkup aduda CMO Bishnupur amasung C Ningthokong dagi punna doctor amadi subordinate staff taramangana sarukyaki punna mahiroi chani kunda health checkup tawki free health checkup aduga mari leinana ABC gi president khwairakpam tombana ngasi asi handak class 10 thagadoriba mahiroi singda kari ana ayek yaubage haibadu khangdoknaba tawba health checkup ni maru oina ke Gojendro Foundation amasung All Brothers Committee na Chahi khudingi leptana chatharakpa handak sahi gi tarahumdoi subu oina free revision course sarukyaba mahiroi singi oina pangthokpani haikhe
kumsi sahi gi oina satra 220 laiba 220 maksi akhoina ngasi sigumba Bishnupur gi akhoi chief medical officer Bishnupur gi akhoi gi Ningthokong gi community health center masida leibiriba doctor sing staff sing mayam punna khusam nari hairaga sumba chhatra sing asida parkha thaga dobada akhoi tension na maram moira kai lege adigi masada blood pressure wangbra skin disease karam lege khotke haiba sigu mayam ji akhoi na masi check tawnu gi damakta khudong chaba si health checkup ki oina tawbusina akhoi handaki sahi 2026 sidigi akhoi masi hogjabani masi
Phobokso High School ki founder and managing director Pusam Salingi midyeng makada advanced orthopedic care Lilong Lamkai ga punna khusamnarga nomagi oiba free medical camp ama Phobokso High School da pangthokre medical camp atu da dental ENT neuro medicine ortho sugar blood test free medicine yauna tongan ba department dara ninthoi romna sarukya dona miyamda layeng khudong chaba pikhi sekmaizin khuno phobak chau lapupat tera khuno asina chingba khungang singi miyoi chani kun layengki amadi hidak langthaksu lemna pikhi Phobokso High School ki founder and managing director Pusam Salim mafam asida hospital gi khudong chaba leitabana miyamna ana ek yorkpada khudong chadaba kyamur mayok nei lengaksna Phobokso gi miyam gi ana layengda midyeng changbiu phongdokhi Pusum mutunna khungang asida chathok chasin gi khudong chadaba amasung ahal laman singna hospital chatpada awaba kaya mayoknaba kaya adugi yenglaga free medical camp asi pangthokpani haikhe loisilakada mari papa mona pizari Humdra Taret Suba Republic Day Thoram Manipur da su pangthokre Amadi popi thaba da sizinai haiba farmhouse khara ZUF na mai thadana mangkhre Hauzik phawba da ISTV ni pizari ba paw matang to chinjare meeting tabeli ba sumbo ma khurumjari